Hey guys, today I'm back with these winter frosty leaf nails. I was inspired to do this design when I purchased the Moyu London Fall in Love O2 plate because it's an overlapping plate, and Moyu London demonstrated the plate as it was like a buildable and you could build like an old decaying leaves in the fall. So I decided to try the similar method but with snow covered leaves instead. So enough of my blabbing and let's get on with these nails. So I started off with painting my middle and ring finger grey. And then with a shimmery grey polish, I just stamped that bigger leaf and started that as the base of the overlapping. And then going up on that same leaf pattern, I used a white for the snow and just stamped that on top of that leaf to make it that buildable shape. And then with the skinniest leaf, I'm going in with a dark grey polish for the stems and stuff. And I'm doing all that again, but with a different image on the plate. And this one's more of a collective of leaves on a branch. And then I applied a hollow tucko. This is the linear hollow tucko, because I wish that snow was hollow. And since we talk about hollow, this is Harp on It by Colour Club. I just painted that on my index and pinky finger. Don't we all wish that snow was hollow? And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these winter leaf nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!